Hi, welcome to LearnZilla. We have great news for job aspirants during this lockdown. Unacademy has announced the re-level tournament for job placement, which will give you a chance to work for India's best companies. You get an opportunity to apply for 500 jobs in 50 different companies, offering annual salary package up to 15 lakhs. In this video, we'll be informing you about the website and registration process, scheduler test and advanced rounds, job categories, detailed syllabus for each category, and most importantly, at the end of this video, we'll inform you how you can access the resources covering the syllabus like course materials, tests, mock tests, which you can access anywhere, anytime. The best part of the whole exercise is that you can apply to multiple companies with your re-level score. Now let us get into the finer details of the job tournament or test process. Any degree holder with less than 3 years work experience can register and give the test. That includes freshers who are on schedule to complete the degree by July 2021. Aspirants can participate from anywhere in India. Since the test and advanced process will be conducted online, anyone with a laptop and internet connection can participate. Also, please note that the aim of this test organizers is to test your skills and it does not focus on your biodata or resume. What they're testing for are your problem solving skills, your emotional quotient or your emotional intelligence, communication skill, creativity, and your attention to details. Now let's discuss the complete job tournament test process. First, you have to log into the website. Details are given in the description and register on the website before 22nd of June 2021. Remember the date, 22nd of June 2021. The prelims challenge will start on 26th June and only 25% top participant will qualify for the next stage. Then comes the advanced challenge round when experienced interviewers test you for minimum cutoffs. Then you receive your all important re-level score with detailed reports about your strengths and weaknesses. You can take this score and apply for placements in your company of choice and get job offers. That is the complete details. Now we can discuss about the registration process. And now before we go to the registration process and see our dashboard, let's see a list of sample companies where you can get placed. According to website, these are the companies where you can get placed. So these are India's finest companies which hire on re-level scores. You get 500 plus job opportunities in 50 plus companies and you can earn up to 15 plus lakh per annum. You can apply to a variety of jobs like business development, 300 plus jobs, front end development, 100 plus jobs, back end development, 100 plus jobs. Now let's register and see our dashboard. For those of you who chose business development tournament, let's get the details. The tournament registration closes on 22nd June 2021 and we will be discussing about the eligibility and registration, about the prelims round which consists of aptitude challenge, problem solving challenge, pitch perfect challenge, and advanced round which will have beat the master channels, customer empathy challenge. Then we will be discussing the job offers and the complete syllabus. Now let us note the eligibility criteria for business development tournament challenge. You have to have under 3 years of experience or less than 3 years of work experience, or you're actively looking for a first job or next job, or you're still in college and will graduate by July 2021. So this challenge is open for freshers. The registration process will be in 2 simple steps. First, you have to log into relevel.com, enter your full name, phone number, and state of residence. Then complete the registration by paying rupees 1999. Now let us get the schedule and challenges of Business Development Tournament. The tournament will consist of 5 challenges conducted between 26 June and 6 July 2021. And there will be 2 rounds, prelims and advanced. The prelims round will be conducted between 26 June and 27 June. It will consist of aptitude challenge, problem solving challenge and pitch perfect challenge unique to this challenge. Then we will have advanced round conducted between 29 June and 4 July. Shall beat the master challenge, customer empathy challenge. The results will be declared on 6th of July and you can apply for company placements from 7th July onwards. Now let us get the complete details of the prelims and advanced round for the business development tournament. Let's start with prelims. We'll start with aptitude challenge, which will be in multiple choice questions, duration 2 hours. In this assessment, you are expected to answer 60 multiple choice questions in 2 sections, general aptitude and sales aptitude. The maximum marks for this challenge is 150. The breakdown of marks is as follows. General aptitude, maximum person marks 60. For correct answer, you get 1 mark. For wrong answer, you will be getting minus half mark. Sales aptitude, the maximum person mark is 90. For correct answer, you'll get 1.5 marks. For wrong answer, you'll get minus 1 mark. Next, we go to the problem solving challenge. This will be recorded responses, duration 40 minutes. You are expected to record video responses to 5 situational sales scenarios along with submitting email responses to scenarios. Maximum marks for the challenge is 150. The breakdown marks is as follows. Video response, maximum person mark 100 and for the correct answer you get 5 marks. Email response, maximum person mark 50. For each correct answer you get 2 marks. Then we come to the pitch perfect challenge. These are recorded responses. Again, duration 45 minutes. You need to prepare a sales pitch for a given product and client. You are given 5 minutes to present and the responses of videos are recorded. The maximum marks for the challenge is 200. Now we come to the advanced round. With the Beat the Master challenge, this will be live interview of 45 minutes. You will be tested live on your ability to pitch, negotiate and sell to a master consumer who can be an experienced sales executive. Maximum marks for the challenge is 250. Then you will have a customer empathy challenge. Again, live interview of 45 minutes. A senior sales leader will test your ability to understand and cater to customer needs. The maximum marks for the challenge again is 250. Now we come to the all important syllabus for business development tournament. Let's start with quantitative ability. The topics covered will be number systems, decimal, fractions, simplification, HCF, LCM, ratio and proportion, percentages, time and distance and much more. Then we have verbal ability and reading comprehension. The topics covered will be synonym, antonyms, grammar or English usage, fill in the blanks, verbal reasoning, summary questions for reading comprehension, multiple use of one word, idioms and phrases and much more. Then we have data interpretation and logical reasoning. The topics covered will be fundamental arithmetic like caselets and tables, bar graphs and columns, graphs, Venn diagrams. And for logical reasoning, you may have combination of 2 or more types linked to each other, number and letter series, calendars, cubes and clocks, binary logic, seating arrangement and much more. You can get this complete course on the Learnzilla app with videos, tests and mock test. The details will be available at the end of the video. Now for the business development tournament challenge, we have unique topics. First we start with sales. So the topics covered will be types of sales, what are you selling, who are you selling to, how to sell, metrics and KPIs, sales management, account management and much more. Then we'll have general knowledge. The topics covered will be national affairs, international current affairs, economy, latest updates, sports current affairs, important dates and dates, science and technology news and much more. Now let us note the potential job offers you can get if you clear the Business Development Tournament Challenge. You can choose from 300 plus jobs with CTC or annual salary up to 10 lakh per annum. And these are some of the sample companies where you can apply for placements. We have covered all the details of the re-level job placement tournament. Now let me explain you how you can prepare for the challenges. You can download the LearnZilla app from Google Play Store and you'll have the complete aptitude and programming logic syllabus covering topics like quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal ability of English, reading comprehension, data interpretation, psychometric test, programming logic or technical MCQ with videos, tests and mock tests. So I will leave you here with a short clip about the LearnZilla app explaining all its unique features.